long-distance relationship tips and advice. Number 26. Share music playlists, bond over music by exchanging playlists. Number 27. Discuss the future, regularly talk about where the relationship is heading. Number 28. Avoid over-communicating, give each other space to breathe. Number 29. Talk about the hard stuff, address concerns openly and without judgment. Number 30. Celebrate differences, appreciate the things that make your partner unique. Number 31. Support each other's dreams, be each other's biggest cheerleader. Number 32. Send care packages, thoughtful packages can make the distance feel shorter. Number 33. Stay organized, keep track of each other's schedules to avoid conflicts. Number 34. Share photos throughout the day, keep the connection alive with visuals. Number 35. Create a relationship bucket list, plan things to do together in the future. Number 36. Don't sweat the small stuff, let minor irritations slide. Number 37. Be patient, patience is essential in a long-distance relationship. Number 38. Express gratitude, regularly thank each other for the effort being made. Number 39. Create a couple's blog or journal, document your experiences together. Number 40. Have difficult conversations in person or via video, avoid misunderstandings by seeing facial expressions. Number 41. Practice active listening, ensure your partner feels heard and understood. Number 42. Don't let arguments fester, resolve conflicts as soon as possible. Number 43. Talk about your boundaries, set clear boundaries to avoid any confusion. Number 44. Share your calendar, sync calendars to stay informed about each other's availability. Number 45. Plan for downtime together, enjoy quiet moments even when apart, like reading the same book. Number 46. Stay healthy, keep your mental and physical health in check. Number 47. Create countdown timers, use apps to count down the days until you meet next. Number 48. Practice empathy, understand the challenges your partner faces. Number 49. Laugh together, watch comedies or share funny memes to keep the mood light. Number 50. Avoid assumptions, clarify things rather than assuming what your partner thinks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.